Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the expansion of the JUTC routes. Now the JUTC is starting a rural route between Linstead and Spanish Town. Now the JUTC is the government run bus service for Jamaica. However, because of the limited number of buses, they're not able to operate service all across Jamaica. So, as they get in more buses and the road conditions improve, they are expanding their service. Recently, 100 new CNG buses came in, and this is where they park them and gas them up basically with CNG. This is the Portmore depot that we're looking at, and those are some of the CNG buses that we're looking at. Portmore currently is the only depot that can fuel these CNG buses, so they are all stationed here. But because they got in new buses, they were able to start as bus service to St. Thomas. And 5,000 commuters used the service in the first week. It's a massive success, huge success. They also started a bus service to Mandeville because they got in the new buses, and also to Mark Bay, or St. Thomas, they built the Southern Coastal Highway, so you can now use a highway to get there. So that also influenced the route to go to St. Thomas. And the same thing for Mandeville. They have a new highway that just opened up to take you to Mandeville. So the JUTC is expanding their service. And also, they were able to send more buses to the Montego Bay Metro bus service, and Montego Bay Metro was able to expand their routes. So now the JUTC is going to start some rural routes, and the first route is going to be between Linstead and Spanish Town. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this new route. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company (JUTC) has introduced a new rural route, Route 605, connecting Linstead to Spanish Town in St. Catherine, set to begin operations on Monday, January 27th. This route will enhance transportation options for residents along the corridor, with buses traveling via Bogwalk and Angels. Fare information: adults 100 with smart card, 150 with cash. Seniors 50 with smart card, 150 with cash. Students and disabled $50 with smart card, 150 cash. The schedule now: the buses will depart from Linstead at 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 4:30 p.m., 5 p.m., and 7 p.m. Departing from Spanish Town, 7:15 a.m., 7:45 a.m., 9 a.m., 3:15 p.m., 3:45 p.m., 5:45 p.m., 6:15 p.m., 7:30 p.m. Owen Ellington, acting managing director of JUTC, stated that this new route addresses the increasing demand for reliable and affordable rural transportation. The company is confident this service will positively impact the lives of its passengers. To support the launch, JUTC staff will be stationed at Rose Duncan Park in Linstead to assist commuters with smarter card top-ups and address queries. Passengers are encouraged to use a smarter card for cost-saving benefits. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So this is good news as JUTC is expanding its service. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.